Good morning students. You have seen my part 1 video. Now this is the second one of notice format writing. So before going to start, today we'll discuss about one topic exercise. For example, one question comes, you are the cultural secretary or the captain of your school and you are asked to inform the students of class 6, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th or whatever may be about an inter-school drama competition or debate competition, drawing competition or painting competition. So draft a notice in about 50 words to be put up on the school notice board with a necessary details. Put the notice in a box. So I have described you how to make a box. I have told you how to make the procedures of doing notice writing. Now let us discuss the same thing. Now I have given you one example, inter-school drama competition, which I have not written here. You can take any example. So how you will start writing notice? First of all, you have to write the name of the school. So what is the name of the school? Whoever is issuing the authority of that school, with the name of that school will be here, like KC Public School, D Paul School, DPS School, whatever the name you have to write, or Ma Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Then place, you have to write the name of the place where it is situated in Berhampur. Okay, the next word, the word will come notice. Both the things will come in capital letter. Then the third point will come your date of issuing. So when you are issuing this notice, it is on 2nd July or 3rd July or maybe on 4th July. Okay, 2020. Now inter-school drama competition, drawing competition, debate competition or painting competition. In one format I am going to describe you 4 questions. So how you will write? The point I have given you. You can start with your notice writing. This is to inform the students of. This is to inform the students of class 6, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th or a drawing competition, debate competition, painting competition or inter-school drama or debate competition will be held on. You have to write the date here. Then you have to write the name, class students. And the third one is the school is organizing a drawing competition, debate competition or painting competition or inter-school drama competition. Okay, whatever the topic is. For the students of class, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever may be, these 3 points are in one and you have to write either this or either 2 number or either 3. Now I am making any one. For example, I am starting with 2 number. Okay, you have little bit problem. A drawing competition or a debate competition or a painting competition or a inter-school debate competition will be held on. You have to mention, you have given 2nd July 2020. That means after a weekend the competition will be going to held. So here you have to write competition will be held on which date? On, I have written here 2nd. You have to write here after 4 days or 5 days. That is 4th July or 7th July or 10th July 2020 at where? At prayer hall, auditorium or community hall or wherever the hall or space is given, you can organize that event. Maybe at what time? On this at 10 a.m., 5 p.m. or 4 p.m. or 11 a.m. or 1 p.m. Okay, in the school auditorium, prayer hall or maybe anything, wherever the you can organize the event. So this is the second line you have completed. Now coming to the third line. interested students, either interested students or the students who are interested. You can write the interested students, or you can also write the students who are interested in participating. Interested students who are interested in participating, or you can write the students who are interested in participating should give their names to the undersigned. Should give their names to the undersigned. Who is undersigned here? Here the undersigned is whatever the question will come. What is your question? Cultural secretary or captain or monitor or anything. Whatever the name will be there, you have to write your designation in that place. Designation place. So to the undersigned, latest by 7th July. So whatever the date is going to be organized the event, you have to mention after 4 days of that, before 3 days of that. Means suppose here you are mentioning latest by 7th July, then what you have to do here? On after 7 means that is on 10th July. On 10th July 2020. On 10th July 2020, what is going to be organized? Maybe drawing competition, debate competition or painting competition. Remember students, it is a issuing date. This is a notice issuing date. This is a event date, and this is you have to submission of the events date before 4 days or maybe 5 days. So it is before, it is afterwards. That means before 2 or 3 days, every student should submit your names. To whom? To the undersigned. Who is the undersigned? Ayush Kumar Naik. Okay, you can write the name of the student, Ayush Kumar Naik. Then what he is, his designation is school captain, school secretary or cultural secretary or maybe monitor. So I am thinking that you have understood the total part of notice writing, and you will read and you will understand briefly. If you like, please share it and like it. Thank you very much.